In the heart of India's bustling Punjab, in a modest town called Patiala, a boy named Rakesh Sharma was born in 1949 to a disciplined, loving family. His father was a civil servant, and his mother's warmth nurtured his courage. Growing up, Rakesh was engulfed in stories of valor and adventure, which sparked a desire to explore realms beyond the sky. Rakesh's childhood in Patiala was colorful, filled with Indian festivals, fragrant gardens, and dusty streets where dreams soared as freely as kites. Unlike other children, he was entranced by the stars and longed to understand what lay beyond the clouds. His inquisitive nature was nurtured in school, where his academic brilliance in science and engineering emerged. After schooling, Rakesh joined the Indian Air Force, merging his passion for flight with discipline and adventure. There, rigorous training molded him into a skilled pilot, yet his sights remained fixed on the stars. During a time when India looked to space as a new frontier, Rakesh stood out with his rare mix of courage, intellect, and humility. Rakesh was selected for an epical mission that symbolized India's dream of space exploration. Undergoing intense preparation, he trained in unfamiliar lands yet steadfastly represented his nation. On December 2, 1984, the world watched as the spacecraft launched from Baikonur Cosmodrome, carrying Rakesh into the surreal vastness of space. As he orbited Earth, viewing it as a fragile blue marble, Rakesh felt a deep connection to humanity and an immense responsibility. His famous words, "Ser Jahan Se Aka," conveyed his profound love for India and realization of global unity from space. Upon return, Rakesh Sharma became not only a national hero but also a beacon of possibility worldwide. His journey inspired countless children in India to dream beyond boundaries, echoing the story of a young boy from Patiala who first gazed at the stars with wonder and aspiration.